Today on PowerNation Daily, you can have help from PowerNation to help you fix your ride, license plates that let you skip the DMV, the last Jeep Wrangler JK has been produced, problems with the 2019 Ram production is costing FCA $300 million, and this guy uses his Ferrari like it's a step stool. It all happens right here on PowerNation Daily.
PowerNation Daily is brought to you by RockAuto.com. All the parts your car will ever need. Order online, delivered to your home or office.
Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Gannon Pritchard. Welcome to PowerNation Daily. Let's get to talking about the news because we got a lot to talk about. So do you have a car that you've been working on but you just can't get it finished? Well, we actually might be able to hook you up. PowerNation is working together with RockAuto.com to bring driveway rescue to our viewers, and this is awesome. If you want to be considered, all you have to do is head over to PowerNationTV.com under the Driveway Rescue tab, fill it out, and let us know what you're working on, and we actually just might show up and help you out. With all the other technology in the automotive market advancing, it was only a matter of time before smart plates arrived on the scene. Some might say, why fix it if it's not broken? But the new plates, they do have some advantages. Like when you go to the DMV, because now you don't have to go to the DMV. You can simply pay online and your tags update themselves automatically. That's nice. It's called the Reviver plate and it's being tested across California. The plate has other features like marking itself stolen if your car is reported stolen. That's pretty clever. It also has an option for Amber Alerts. However, consumers won't be able to change the letters and numbers of the actual plate. The plates aren't cheap. They're $700 and there's a $7 a month fee. Is it worth it to you to skip the DMV? $700. Let us know in the comments. It's officially over for the Jeep Wrangler JK. As of last week, the last ever JK rolled off the production line in North America after 12 years of being produced. That's sad. And this is according to The Drive. After over 2.1 million Jeeps were built, the plant will now focus on the new Jeep truck that can be expected to be on the roads next year. If you're looking for a Wrangler JK, they're still available at dealer lots as 2018 models, but not for long, so you better hurry up. Are you sad about that? The latest problem for FCA is costing it a cool $300 million. The plant where the 2019 Ram 1500 is being produced is reportedly running below capacity and suppliers aren't able to build both the 2018 and 2019 models at the same time. That's a problem. The Michigan plant started production in January, but it's still under construction and is still about 400 trucks a day behind schedule. To catch up, FCA is keeping the plant running through all weekends and holidays until Labor Day. That's awesome, except for the people that have to work. So if you had $1 million car, would you use it as a step stool like this guy? Apparently, the answer is yes for this guy. He was trying to take a picture of the McLaren P1 and the Ferrari LaFerrari behind him in Monaco, and he used his very expensive car as a very expensive step stool. But hey, if you paid for the car, do what you want, buddy. Good job. Thanks for watching PowerNation Daily, everybody. I'm Gannon Pritchard. Let us know what you want to see, and stop by PowerNationTV.com and sign up for Driveway Rescue. Good luck.